Hello everyone, Peter Newman with you. For AHRI Insight this week we're having another go at estimating the cost of harvest weed seed control, but this time in an interactive model, a spreadsheet that you can download and estimate the cost for you. When we're looking at harvest weed seed control, there's a big range of factors: nutrient removal cost, capital cost, running costs of the different tools, and that changes depending on your crop area, your crop yield and number of harvesters and so on. So you can put your own numbers into the model and get a very accurate cost for you based on the best estimate that we have now in terms of all of the different fuel costs, repairs and maintenance, and nutrient removal and so on. So take a look at AHRI Insight and download the model for you to get the best estimate of harvest weed seed control cost for you.